Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DIY Top 1 channel. In this video, I'm going to share a very simple trick, but very few people know. Have you tried using your old battery this way? First, we prepare an old battery and cut off the outer layers. Make sure the battery is intact. And prepare a magnet. A copper wire. Wrap that copper wire into the magnet. You wrap it up like in the video. After we wrap it up, we're like this. Take copper wire. Let's wrap this up in a spring. Let's leave it like that. Get the copper wire wrapped up in that battery. Use adhesive tape. Fixed again. Let's get an unused CD. Put the battery in the middle of the CD. Use a glue gun to fix it. Take time to understand each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Leave me a comment. It's great that I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click the sign up button. It's great to see your support. Let's wrap the excess of copper wire underneath the battery. It shouldn't be wrapped up and fixed with adhesive tape. Next, let's cut it off. Outer layer. Wire connecting antenna to TIVI. We also use the copper core inside. Wrap 2 copper cord together. Then use adhesive tape. Wrap. Stop. Don't leave it open. Take a good look, and don't miss a step. Next, we secure the antenna to the wooden board. Doing so to increase the ten to be more certain. This was television before the broadcast. Now, let's connect this antenna to the television. Now it's up. Thank you for watching all the videos. If it's interesting, please like and subscribe to the channel to support me. Share it so everyone knows. I wish you success.